iconic.
DJ Khaled,
a divine leader, shine brighter, bonita, mommy, me, the line sniffer, never poetic rhyme writer, chiefer, ebony empress getter, celebrity apprentice, a devil show, big up to Africa, Mexico, Hennessy, margarita, venison eater, so dear spread them here, don't be acting innocent either, don't me, relax me, it's only to the nasty, I'm just a phony assassin, a lot of niggas owe me, I'ma tax them, a lot of sisters hold me to something holy and Catholic, cause the rosary and gold flashing, just an attachment and accessory to my dress code, now everywhere, all I see is Pablo, Esco, last time I checked I was still breathing, my neck was still freezing, now everybody got an Escobar season, to every baby on the album cover existing, this trend I was setting, it came to fruition, I'm assisting to push the culture forward, to all my go supporters like a local black owned grocery store, cause in the hood shit ain't passed down through blood, it's a dub on that, we get government aid, spend it at they stores, putting their kids through college, we need balance, so we can lease and own deeds in our projects, so I'm asking G's to go in their pockets, the racial economic inequality, let's try to solve it. My signature fade with a bevel blade, that's a major key.